Flyboy TV is the best.
Flyboy TV.
Sorry, J9.
Hey, I'm ill.
Yeah. Huh?
I'm red juice, but you already know that. Turn around, let me take a picture like Kodak. Bounce so hard that the rubber start burning. I know it feel good, I can see her eyes turning. I'm popping, just like my pills. And I can beat it up while you biting on your nails. Back it up, slow down a little. I'm quick to hop in, let me slide in the middle. She ain't got no panties on, and she let a nigga run it to my own song. Now I won't miss you, and now I won't kiss you. I take off quick like a nigga was a missile. My name stay buzzing just like my phone. She in love with a nigga cause my hair two-tone. My nigga, I'm buzzing just like my phone. She in love with a nigga cause my hair two-tone. Hop on my roller coaster, be my private chauffeur. Hop on my roller coaster, be my private chauffeur. You know I like whipped cream, I'ma show off. I know it feel good when I lick it off. You know I like whipped cream, I'ma show off. I know it feel good when I lick it off. She a nasty girl, like using fruits. Hop on the roller coaster, start hitting loops, huh? Hey girl, I wanna know your name. They call me Red Deuce with a little bit of fame. And yeah, I'm kinda freaky and I love getting brain. I get it so wet like she slipped in the rain. I beat it out the frame, but my name ain't Hurricane. I'm a rock star, baby, and I ain't gon' change. I'm fly, I'm high, just like I flew. But I don't gotta tell her cause she already knew, huh? Yeah, and I smoke a little. You don't wanna see me when I'm on the skittle. She a beast, ripped off my clothes. Hopped on the same ride 2 times in a row, huh? She a beast, ripped off my clothes. Hopped on the same ride 2 times in a row. Hop on my roller coaster, be my private chauffeur. Hop on my roller coaster, be my private chauffeur. You know I like whipped cream, I'ma show off. I know it feel good when I lick it off. You know I like whipped cream, I'ma show off. I know it feel good when I lick it off. Hop on my roller coaster.
Like the star of the alphabet, I'm Johnny that I got a wife for like alchemist. Throw your girl away, I'll trash your chick. Straight drop, no littering. Turn her on like a light switch. Don't understand what you must be deaf or illiterate. Swag F-O-Y, yes, I'm surfing it. Yes, I'm surfing it. Blow sicker than the bitch with a clap. I like a long hair bitch with some back. If I'm in it, I'ma kill it, that's a fact. I got her sprung, I'ma fall, who's next? Super savvy with it, you can label me crazy, huh? Put more dots on your back than a ladybug. Make your top drop back like the Sadies would. I'm a ladies man, but I keep a hood. Skinny jeans on, yeah, but I keep the slug. Put more bullets in your chest than Brady would. G-M-A-N, so misunderstood.
Both fingers up with the thumb in the middle. Both fingers up with the thumb in the middle. Both fingers up with the thumb in the middle. Thumb in the middle. Thumb in the middle.
What up, bro? You know who it be. It be that boy Q7INC. Anybody want they could get that heat. My money go long like lines in the street. Yes, I'm me, and I'm taking over. You heard of Mr. Freeze? Well, I'm much colder. Your girl left you and got with a soldier. Now she with me, so now she don't know you. S-A-V-I-I, and your boy finna get blasted like A-2-I. Yeah, the 7 good, and we stay hecka fly. Don't get me wrong, we just too damn fly. Just like a picture straight.
Why do I feel so alone? Like everybody passing through the studio is in character as if he acting out a movie role. Talking bullshit as if it was for you to know. And I don't have the heart to get these bitch niggas the cue to go. So they stick around kicking out feedback. And I entertain it as if I need that. I had a talk with my uncle and he agreed that my privacy about the only thing I need back. But it's hard to think of them polite flows when Stefano Pilato suits are.
This is Flyboy's last video. We had to go off one last time because we fucking bananas.
And Hans is ugly.
Say Flyboy's last video.
Hans is ugly.
Bananas.
Jeffrey's ugly.
This last video. Bananas, man. Last one at Woodside.
Last one at Woodside.
For me. For me.
Devon. We're gonna miss him.
I know.
Even though he's ugly, we're gonna miss him.
I know. Okay, so I'm sorry for putting in the video people saying F wavy kids. I apologize. You good? You good? Wavy kids?
Flyboy TV.
Flyboy TV.